Hello, this is Odell, and this is a short introduction to the print statement. I'm going to show you some basics of the print statement. It can do more than this, but those things are really specific. Basically, the format in which it prints out. So what the print statement does is it prints whatever is between these brackets. Here, I am printing things in quotes. So when the computer sees quotes, it prints out what it sees inside the quotes exactly the way it is. So let's run this and see what it looks like. So there it is. I told it to print hello world to the shell here. This is the shell. And it printed hello world. Great. Now you can use either double quotes or single quotes. Python doesn't really care. Why you'd want to use one or the other. Let's say you want print open closed. If you wanted it to print hello with quotes around it, well, it'll do that. It's going to ask me to save it first. So now it'll print stuff with quotes around it. That's the reason it does that for you. So if you use triple quotes, Python ignores the other quotes. So if I have stuff where I have a comma, an apostrophe, and quotes in it, if I use triple quotes, it will ignore any of those other single quotes or double quotes that's in whatever you're printing out. So let's run that. And you can see here, printed out all the quotes and stuff. Okay. Now you can print multiple items. All right, you just use a comma to separate them. And when you use a comma, a space is automatically added between the items. So I made a variable called name, and I set it equal to Odell. So when I go my name is, comma, name, which is Odell, the teacher, it'll print out my name is Odell, the teacher. Run this module. You notice how it automatically added a space there because it's a new item. And it added one here too. Okay. So strings can be glued together with the plus sign. So this time I'm going to say my name is plus, no quotes, see how it's black, and then Odell. This time there will not be a space. And that's that example. The last thing I want to show you is this is the character for a new line. If this ever gets printed to the screen, the shell goes, oh, you must want to start a new line. So it'll print line 1, then it'll go to the next line, because this is a new line, and then it'll print line 2. There it is. Cool. That's enough to get you started with the print statement. Notice some people go print equals. It's not like that. Whatever's between the parentheses gets passed to the print function, and then the print function takes it and prints it out to the shell. Okay, goodbye.